Welcome guys to my channel once again. It's your host OTC right here. So in today's video we'll be discussing about Euro USD pair for the upcoming trading week, that is from 19 to 23rd July. So let's begin. Alright traders, as you can see I have marked zones as I'm entering as I have my positions open in this trade. So what do I see and what you guys can relate with this? So as we see, price was in big push to the downside, small retrace, retest at this level, and then push, then retest, then push, then again retest, then push. But what is now happening? As we can see, price broke below this level. Sorry, I didn't mark. See, price broke below this, but it rejected. If we see this in weekly time frame, you can see it much clear. All right. So in Euro USD, what is happening? Price is making lower low, then price will be going to the downside, but price is just faking out all the buyers who are taking the positions. All right, so let's just move to a 4 time frame. Let me just extend this level. All right, clearly what can we see right now is price made retest, then starting to push to the downside. If we draw fib from high to the low, we can see this is a clean retracement and then failed above it, and after failing, price is now moving to the downside. If you guys want to have position either buy or the sell side, I will say you just have to wait for your confirmation. Sorry for that sound. All right, so we can see now price is starting to move to the downside. So as I told you that I'm looking for buy signal right now, as I know price is moving to the downside, but let the price come near this level. After that level, as price will be going down like this, then we'll just enter our longs. Right, let's just move to a 1 hour time frame. What do you see? Price is cleanly in selling pressure, so price will be going down. Let the price comes down and then we'll look for some trades right there. All right, so there's not much in euro, it's just simple analysis. As you can see, it's all about structures. I like trading in structures, trading in the zones. All right, so the zones is the ultimate thing that you can learn. If you learn it and if you know where's the right positions and where should we take right trades, then you have the edge. All right, you just have to recognize these lines, these levels, which will exactly work what it did in the past, or it may be long back. All right, as they say, price reconstruct every single day. All right, it just repeats itself. And I'm saying, so price is the ultimate key. Let the price do its thing. You just have to move with the market. All right, so there's not much to say. As you can see, price is in downtrend. Price made a pin bar rejection, and if you're looking for sell, just wait for these levels to retest. Then you guys can take some trade for like this level in this area. It's a minor support, I must say. It's a minor support. Let me just mark this. All right, see. So if you guys looking for sell, then I'll just say you guys wait for this, either this area, which is 8159. All right, to retrace up to this or this, then you just can enter this trade. So let's just say in 15 minutes. Okay, it's all the same right here, huh? So if you guys like today's analysis for the upcoming week, make sure you like and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any update about the upcoming videos in the future. And hope you guys will be having a bang upcoming week, and you'll be making some bags. And peace out.